Hi friends, so today we have Unit 4, Lesson 21, page 210. You will probably see right at the top, it says solve two-step problems, continued. So this is the same thing that we did yesterday. This is just the continued practice lesson of this. Think about the first step question, then solve the problem. So remember, these problems have two steps. We start with one, solve that, and then we use the answer from the first one to solve the second part. Whitney collects 18 cans for recycling. Tara collects 9 cans. Julia collects 12 more cans than Whitney and Tara collect together. How many cans does Julia collect? All right, just like yesterday, I'm going to go ahead and solve this one with you. You're going to help me solve this one, but unlike yesterday, you're going to do this one on your own. I will read it to you, you will solve it. So Whitney collects 18 cans. Tara collects 9. So if we made a math mountain, it would look like this. And we're trying to figure out that total. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So our total is 27. Now, Julia collects 12 more cans than Whitney and Tara collect together. So now we're going to add 27 is one of the partners and 12 is one of the partners. So 27 plus 12, 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. So Julia has 39 cans. So remember, this is for me to give you that reminder when I do it with you like that quickly. The next one is for you to tell me what to do. So I'll read it to you and then I want you to tell me, what do I need to do for this? Margie has 17 balloons. Logan has 9 more balloons than Margie. Bonnie has 12 fewer balloons than Logan. How many balloons does Bonnie have? All right, so how do we figure out how many balloons Logan has? Yeah, we need to add those together. So if we made a math mountain, it looks like this. We're finding that new total of 17 plus 9. Go ahead and type it in the chat when you know what 17 plus 9 equals. Nice job. We have 26. Now what do we do? So Logan has 26 balloons. Bonnie has 12 fewer balloons than Logan. How many balloons does Bonnie have? How are we going to figure out how many balloons Bonnie has? If I'm making a math mountain, I have the total up at the top. Sorry, there's a bump under here. It's a little bit of glue. We have 26 up top, and Bonnie has 12 fewer. Good thinking. So are we going to add or subtract? Yep, we have a missing partner. That means we're going to subtract. Go ahead and put the answer in the chat. All right, the last one. Mr. Tyson makes 75 rings to sell at a fair. He sells 16 rings on the first day. He sells some more on the second day. Now he has 22 rings left. How many rings did Mr. Tyson sell on the second day? Ooh, this might be tricky. So he starts with 75. He sold 16 and some on the second day. Now he has 22 rings left. 75. Oh, this is really hard. So I think we actually have to work backwards on this one. Yeah, okay, so you have to do this one first, and then you start out with this one. Whew, they got super tricky for that last one, didn't they? Sorry, I kind of did half of it for you. So you need to figure out how many rings he sold on the second day by subtracting that. All right, that went different than I expected, but that's okay. All right, so take a picture of this when you're finished and turn it in to me, please.